Pick up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this poultry sample to start them to cover my expenses.
For attention, please.
treasure without a look at this here map.
take this poultry sample to start them on one of my
Okay, so rule number 2, if Haunted Mansion is a walk-on, we gotta ride that one. We still haven't eaten yet.
To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Alright, so I know you don't need to get mad, don't need to get upset. I didn't film it. Is it such a crime to say that I just wanted to enjoy it?
You want to enjoy it.
She always says I don't want to enjoy it. But by filming it, I mean, I am enjoying it, but we wanted to enjoy it together without filming it. So I apologize for that. And I also don't have my low light lens, so filming Haunted Mansion was pretty impossible, or pretty darn near impossible. So we're going to eat, because we're both starving, and she's letting me have Hungry Bear for the first time in forever. So like I said, we're over here at Hungry Bear, and Ashley got the fried chicken sandwich, which literally is just a fried piece of chicken.
It's really good.
Oh, she says it's good. She already took a bite. I haven't touched mine. I just got the double cheeseburger, which looks like it has some sauteed onions, and it looks delicious. That is a pickle, giant pickle on top. And I got some loaded fries, which basically taste like a baked potato. And it's some cheese, some queso cheese, some bacon, some chives. It's really, really good. It literally tastes like a baked potato. And then after dinner, we are going to get the specialty fudge brownie, fudge brownie funnel cake, and it's for the 50th anniversary of the Haunted Mansion. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna dive in. Like I said, I haven't tried the burger. I've tried the fries, they're delicious. I'm just here because I want the Haunted Mansion funnel cake. I just thought I would point out really quick and show you guys a quick little cross section. It is extremely messy, as you can see, it's dripping. It is really, really, really good though. Oh my gosh. This is the Dead-Cadent Haunted Mansion 50th anniversary funnel cake. This, yeah, I don't even know where to begin.
It's diabetes on a plate.
Yeah, that's an understatement. And these are flying out. I mean, people are ordering these left and right. Oh man, I think I need to eat this before it melts. Now that we have officially just attacked this thing, I can kind of dive into it a little more. This globe on top, it's just ice cream. It's just the way it's melted. These little pearls, they're just chocolate. Some of them have like a graham crackery inside, I guess you could call it, but they're still chocolate covered. There are chocolate chips in this, as you can see. Some of these are chocolate chips. And then you just have a basic funnel cake. But overall, this is a lot of food, but it is good. So if you're coming down anytime in the near future and you like funnel cakes, get adventurous, try one of these, because who knows how long these will stick around. So to do a quick rundown of dinner, the burger, amazing. I highly recommend it. Hungry Bear. I got the double burger. You can get the single burger. Just a classic burger with a Thousand Island dressing, caramelized onions. It was really good. The burger was moist, very, very delicious. The loaded fries is basically a loaded baked potato, but in a fry version with queso cheese instead of like sour cream, or like a mayo aioli instead, you know. Nacho cheese on fries. I'm game. Ashley's chicken sandwich, also good. I didn't try it because she must have loved it because she inhaled it, and she gives me the food that she doesn't eat. So if she inhaled it, that means it must be good.
It wasn't dry.
It wasn't dry. She showed me it wasn't dry.
Very flaky.
Very, very flaky. And the funnel cake, oh.
We gained 10 pounds each.
Yeah, I think just staring at it, we gained all the weight back that we had lost over the last month or so. But the funnel cake, really, really good. I forgot to mention, it also has brownie on it. The reason I did not mention it is because Ashley had already kind of eaten it all and hidden it from me.
Sorry.
So one side is like ice cream, and then the other side is brownie. But overall, this meal was spectacular. The burger, the chicken sandwich, the loaded fries, and the soda, and the funnel cake all came to a total after discount about $36, $37. So it is a little more expensive, but it is still delicious.